Hello there. Thanks for tuning into my channel. I do appreciate it. Well, while we're on the river today, I thought I'd give you a couple of fly fishing tips, especially if you're new to fly fishing. I've had a lot of people on the channel ask me some specific questions and I'm going to answer them. One, here's a kind of a simple thing to do, right? You notice how I'm carrying my fly rod? I'm carrying it pointing backwards. Now, you can't always carry it like this, especially if you're going through a lot of heavy brush. You're going to need to be able to see where the rod is. But typically, when you're walking the side of a river, carry the fly rod pointing backwards. And why that's important is because if you were to trip and fall, your rod is not falling forward and you're not breaking rods. You're far less likely to break a fly rod if you're carrying it behind you while walking a river. So that's a tip that a lot of people have learned the hard way. So if you're not in heavy brush and you're walking the side of the river or you're walking down a trail that doesn't have a lot of heavy brush, carry your fly rod backwards and you're gonna have a far better result if, God forbid, you're to trip. So just a fly fishing tip for you if you're new to fly fishing. All right, well, I hope that helps you the next time you're out fly fishing. And if you're new to fly fishing, check out this video I did right up here on fly casting. 5 easy steps. Watch this video, and I guarantee you're gonna be casting your fly rod just a little bit further. All right, everybody, till the next time, fish on.